How are you?
I'm good. Good morning. Okay, so the guy from Peugeot that came out to analyze what was wrong with the van says that it's a starter motor.
But they're too beautiful. And you see millions of them on the side of the road, especially where we live around here. We are Cindy and Graham with Jaunti Vanlife. Come and join us.
Hulle is daar so. Kom laat jy vir my kom. Okay.
We built a camper van out of a Boxer 2004 Peugeot to travel weekends through South Africa. We still work, so it's now and again that we travel, but we do show you many different things about our lives. Please follow us, subscribe, and enjoy our vibe.
Jaunti Vanlife. Lights, camera, action!
I went to do a service on a Boxer.
That's the right shock that needs to be fixed. Because I think this car was in an accident years ago and they never fixed it. So you go offset.
There's a front.
Dis hoekom my maak short hierso. Sal net ek laat dit gaan binne by die stad by die brug.
Yeah.
Speel net hierso. Jy kan hom net vas maak.
You see what you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so the one is playing around, so the solenoid inside. That's what happens when you try to crank all the time.
Yeah. And I told the guy not to crank. Start a motor for me. My neighbor is an auto electrician.
When I was in workshop,
So it's a starter.
starter, replace your starter. As I said, I can get you a brand new starter. You can go buy it yourself there.
Where?
Brenno Auto Parts in Boksburg, Richmond Road.
Huh?
Brenno
Rena.
Auto Parts.
Okay.
Yeah.
We bought another starter here. This is the old one. This is the new one. It's exactly the same, except this one has a loose spacer here. So if you measure everything, the flange where that fits is exactly the same. So it's the same, so that the Bendix kicks a gear in there. It's in the right position. So to get onto the crown wheel to turn the engine over. That's what we're looking for. It's a newer type version, but the mounting and everything is exactly the same. This is an earth strap connection. We've just got it on one of these tag bolts here. But I'm going to put it in. If that's the case, it should run.
And he told you where to get it, so he knows what goes in.
He gave me the contact to go and get this. And I see they have a whole lot of Peugeot spares as well. So that's
good.
what I'd like to know. I've got the place now. And we can go and find the parts.
Amen.
At a better price than when we have it done, it's parts.
Oh, come on. We need a trip again.
Yeah, we need
Can't
another
just have
trip.
mechanical things on Jaunti.
No, I think if like you said, if it's a starter motor, then the van runs fine because the
Yeah.
engine runs.
Yes.
It's just now all of a sudden we've got the failure of kicking off after 10 seconds starting. And he said to me that on that car, the diesel Peugeot, there's a little knock button that you stretch your hand in and go and press it. And it was sticking out, so I pressed it in. Same happened, and that's why he says this is a problem.
Okay.
Because it starts first time after 10 seconds.
Yeah.
He says that's the computer which is on board that's telling the engine to cut the fuel system to cut off because there's probably a short or something here and it's drawing too much power. So I've never heard of a starter motor being a problem of a car not running, but
Okay.
the professional says that I must understand and do what he says.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm going to go and put this one out. I've measured everything with a very near.
What's a very near?
You see my very near? This is a very near.
Oh, very near you.
Yeah, you can measure very, very near.
Okay, perfect. Here you go.
Okay, so now I'm going to climb underneath this van for the millionth time. I'm going to go and put this thing in its place,
Mm-hmm.
which is over there somewhere.
I can't see you under there.
No, you won't be able to see, but I'll put it.
Okay. Well, we'll see how it runs after you're finished.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Must I pass you any tools?
Nah.
You know, you've got a little epi if you want.
Nah.
Okay. Even a second epi. Zena's right by you. So Graham's she's put the starter in, and then the next thing is he's going to start it. So we'll see how it goes.
Here we go.
So here goes Graham. Oh, he's even nerve-wracked like me. Wow, it's going longer than it's ever gone. Oh well. Okay, still a problem, it went off. So Graham's going to try something else now.
I have no idea what's going on. I really don't understand what this problem is.
Another try. Another try.
Okay, so we had the same problem, it's not starting. So I've contacted the mechanic, and the earliest he can see me is on Monday morning. So yeah, that's where it goes in. We'll have a look what happens Monday.
This is for a beautiful plant. Have you ever seen anything like it? Gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Hopefully this is the end of the mechanical issues this week, because we really need to go on a trip. Thanks for watching.